Hi, this is Teaching Korean through online videos, and this is the fourth video on how to read Hanguel. Today we'll be going through the 합성글자 or 합영자 of the Korean vowels. There are 11 vowels that are in the category of 합성글자 or 합영자. 에, 예, 와, 왜, 워, 위, and 의. It looks a little complicated, but don't worry. The word 합성 comes from synthesis, so 합성글자 are just a combination of different vowels. Since we've learned different vowels before, it'll be easier for us to understand these 합성글자. From these 합성글자, we can divide the vowels into two different categories. Synthesis between the letter E and synthesis between two different vowels. Synthesis between two different vowels is the synthesis between a 저출자 and a 제출자. That means it could be a combination of O and A, U and A, since they're both 초출자s. For these are the examples, which is 와 and 워. Synthesis with E is the combination of a vowel and a vertical stick, E. For instance, 에 and 예. This is where it gets a bit more complicated. We'll first pronounce each of the vowels, but it could be quite hard to grasp at first, so make sure you repeat the video from this part to better understand the vowels. 에, they both have the 에 sound. 예, they both have the 예 sound. 와, 왜, 왜. These three letters all have the 왜 sound. 위, 워, and 의. When you go through these vowels, you might have gone, huh? Yes, it is a bit confusing, especially given that some vowels have the same sound. For instance, 에 and 에 have the same sound, and 왜, they all have the same sound. Let's try to repeat and memorize the vowels. 에 and 에. These vowels both have the sound of 에. Do you remember what these vowels sound like? If not, think back to the previous video where we learned about the 제출자. All the vowels in the 제출자 had the 이 sound added to the vowel that looked similar to them. Since these vowels look similar to the previous vowels that have one stick added to them, what would they sound like? It would sound like 예. What would this sound like? This is a combination of O and A. Try making the sounds consecutively and try to pronounce it faster and faster. It sounds like O, A, wa, which makes the sound wa. Do you remember what these sounds like? If you remember, then you would know that all three of them sound the same. For this character is a combination of O and 에. We know from the previous video that 에 is pronounced this, is pronounced 에. So O, 에 would be 왜. But if you pronounce it faster, it becomes 왜. Similarly, this is the combination of U and 에. So it would be u 에, which also becomes 왜 when you pronounce it faster. This is quite a different case because it is not ui, but rather 왜 as well. Now that you have seen how the vowels sound, you might know what this sounds like. It sounds like we. It's a combination of u and e. So u, e, we. Let's try the same method with this character as well. We will wait 5 seconds for you to stop the video and practice by yourself. You can check the pronunciation afterwards. This is 워. This is a combination of u and 어, so it would be 워. And this is 의. Those were the vowels of the Hanguel, the Korean language. Next video we will teach you the consonants of the Korean language, which will then allow you to read out the language.